Hi everyone, welcome back. The 250 3000 is mostly referred to now as the 250 Savage. I would show you the parent cartridge, but this was a totally new creation. I'll give you a couple of comparisons. There's a 257 Roberts and a 25-06. This round has a flat trajectory and excellent accuracy, and enough power to hunt up to and including deer. Newer cartridges in 6mm and 25 calibers have overshadowed it, but it's still a great cartridge. With new powders and bullets, it can be loaded to around 3,600 feet per second with 60 grain bullets and 2,600 feet per second with 120 grain bullets. Not too shabby. Charles Newton introduced a new cartridge named the 250 3000 in 1913. His idea was to make a 25 caliber with a relatively heavy bullet of 100 grains at a respectable velocity of 2,800 feet per second. When Savage took over the rights to this round, they wanted to achieve the 3,000 feet per second mark, which they did using the lighter 87 grain bullet. Newton thought that this hindered the true potential of this round and was trying to compel all of the ammunition makers to experiment with the heavier 100 grain bullet. He wasn't successful trying to convince them though. He never lived to see it happen, but only 3 months after his death, the Peters Company announced a 100 grain bullet at a velocity of 2,850 feet per second. Here I have the Savage 99 lever rifle and 250 Savage. It is a hammerless, solid breech design gun with a rotary magazine. All Savage Model 99 rifles were made with barrels of high-pressure steel. The stock is checkered walnut, and the rotary magazine has a 5-round capacity, and there's a numerical counter. I'll just flip the gun over right here. The internal hammer has an indicator that shows whether it is in the cocked or fired position. It's in the cocked position, and you can see that this is up. So if you're in the dark, all you have to do is run your finger up there, and it'll tell you whether it's cocked or not. And then, of course, you know, when you uncock it, it's flush with the surface of the tang. These were all features which, you know, made them ahead of their time. The barrel length on this model is 24 inches. And as you can see, the rifle is in very good condition. I just happened to be present when the previous owner was downsizing some of his collection to a dealer, and I immediately purchased this one. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Stay tuned for more to come. Bye for now.